Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey with a Forex quick look at the dollar versus Canada. I'm going to make sense of it from a technical perspective, so let's get started. All right, I'm going to define the support and resistance for this pair, and on the downside, I'm going to take a look at this low right here and the 100-hour moving average. I'm going to call that support. Why? Because this area was defined by a number of different swing lows and swing highs. You can see them as I outline them with these arrows. And what the swing level is a level where the market tends to find either support or resistance against that level. You can see how the market moved lower here, moved higher here, moved lower here. I came up to the level and moved lower before moving higher. We found support here, moved higher before moving lower, and we can see that it's getting more and more confined here. But the last thing that we did in the current or the last few hours of trading in the North American session is find support against the low of that swing area at 137.07, and then we moved above the 100-hour moving average at 137.149. That's more bullish, and we saw the price move up. Now on the top side, I'm going to define resistance right here and here in this area right here, and up here is the 200-hour moving average, and also the 50% retracement of the move down from this high right here. This is the November high. Maybe it's the October 31 high to the low that we saw in November here. So the range for more or less the month. So we're going to need to get above both those levels to increase the bullish bias. Now in between it sits this swing area right here, where again, you blur your eyes, see resistance here, and then the support here, and then a little support here before it goes down as resistance, and then we move above it into support, resistance, support, so on and so forth. You can see how the price high on Friday, or this high intraday on Friday, came up to the high of that swing area and found willing sellers, and today we came up to that level, finding willing sellers so far. So this is an interim bias defining level, I guess, for the traders. As long as the price remains below that level, I'm going to tilt our way back down towards support, and that's the hope. If we, but you never know. If you were a buyer right here, you might stay in this and hope that the price moves up and gets ultimately above these levels, or you sell against these levels. That's all that trading is about. But what we know is that there is a battle going on between this support area down here and this resistance area up here, and in between we have this other swing area to deal with and contend with. So be aware, be prepared. So that's a technical look at the dollar versus Canada, and should start your trading off for this week. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.